today I'm going to teach you how to make orange hot chocolate. Here are some of the ingredients that we need in order to make this delicious treat. 3 pieces of chocolate, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt, 1 cup of milk, some orange juice. To get this recipe started, the first thing that we have to do is add our glass of milk. The next step is, of course, to add our chocolate. Make sure when you melt it down, you keep the pan at about a medium setting so you don't burn the chocolate. Be sure to keep stirring everything that's contained within the pan so nothing sticks to the bottom and starts to burn. This is very important. Now we can go ahead and add our vanilla. The next important ingredient, of course, is to add a little bit of salt. The salt gives it a little bit more thickness because it causes the milk to coagulate just a little bit. So when you drink it, it tastes really good. Okay, now that we're getting the liquid ingredients out of the way, we'll grab our small glass of orange juice and go ahead and add that. Once you have it in there, we're pretty much finished. So now we just keep mixing this up until the chocolate's completely gone. You pick up your hot chocolate that you just made. You got to be sure that you're careful when you're pouring it because sometimes you spill over a little bit. Grab your cinnamon, take a little pinch of it, and sprinkle it on top. Now you can't always expect to get it right the first time. That's why you got to try it a few times. But once you get it right, you'll figure out exactly how to do it to your specifications. For Expert Village, I'm Scott.